Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're diving into an absolutely wild planetary system that's rewriting what we thought we knew about planets around red dwarf stars. Published in Astronomy and Astrophysics, this paper reveals a star named TUI 756, which hosts a very peculiar family of planets. First up is TUI 756b, a sub-Neptune planet that's incredibly close to its star. Its year is just 1.24 days long, meaning it's absolutely scorching hot. But here's the first strange thing. Based on its size and mass, this planet is surprisingly puffy. It has a very low density, which tells scientists it's not a simple rock. Instead, it's likely a volatile-rich world, meaning it has a massive atmosphere of hydrogen and helium, or it could be a world with a huge amount of water. Because it's so hot, any water would exist in a strange state called a supercritical fluid, a bit like a dense gas. What makes this planet even more special is its location. It sits right on the edge of what's called the Neptune Desert, a region around stars where we rarely find planets of this size. The intense radiation from the star should have stripped its atmosphere away long ago, so the fact that it's still there is a major puzzle for astronomers to solve. But that's not all, because this system has a second, much larger planet. Meet TI 756c, a colossal gas giant over 4 times the mass of our own Jupiter. Unlike the neat, circular orbits in our solar system, this giant's path is highly eccentric, meaning it follows a long, oval-shaped loop around its star. Such an unusual orbit is often a sign of a chaotic past, perhaps where planets gravitationally kicked each other around. The combination of a close-in, puffy sub-Neptune and a distant, eccentric giant is bizarre enough. But this is the very first time such a system has ever been confirmed around an M-Dwarf, the most common type of star in our galaxy. And the mysteries don't stop there. By tracking the star's movement, researchers noticed a steady, long-term pull. This indicates there's a third, unseen object lurking even further out in the system. This mystery companion could be another giant planet or even a brown dwarf, a sort of failed star. So, to recap the important points, we have a strange, puffy planet that shouldn't exist where it is. It's accompanied by a massive giant on a weird, lopsided orbit. And something else, even bigger or farther away, is still hiding in the shadows. What does this all mean for the future? This one-of-a-kind system is a perfect laboratory for testing our theories of how planets form, especially around the small, dim stars that fill our galaxy. The puffy inner planet, TI 756b, is a prime target for the James Webb Space Telescope to actually study its atmosphere and figure out what it's made of. And upcoming data from the Gaia Space Observatory could solve the mystery of the third companion once and for all. This discovery shows us that the universe is still full of surprises, with planetary systems more diverse and strange than we could have imagined. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.